Hello everyone, I am Sumit and today I am going to talk about a very much hyped future technology that is Metaverse. Well, most of it are still not real and just a concept proposed to us by the big tech companies. But the good part here is that they have already started working on this future project and they believe so that no matter the effort they have to put into this project and they are going to achieve most of it. So let's jump into the metaverse and see what it has to offer. So let me put up a question here. What comes to your mind first when we talk about the metaverse? Virtual reality with avatars, right? Obviously, science fiction movies like Ready Player One, The Matrix, and games like Second Life, Fortnite are the ones that top the list. But according to advocates who believes that we will all work, play, and socialize in the coming years and decades in this metaverse. But here comes the most interesting question: like, where did this metaverse concept, come from? So the term metaverse can be traced back to Neil Stephenson and his cyberpunk novel Snow Crash, which was released in 1992, and along with William Gibson's Neuromancer, which describes a virtual reality data space called the Matrix. Now we will learn what is the metaverse. So meta means beyond and verse means universe. So when we combine them together, we get the metaverse. And the metaverse is a virtual reality space in which users can interact with a computer generated environment and other users. And according to some developers in the big companies, the internet will eventually evolve into the metaverse, which will come to represent the next major computing platform. And metaverse can also be a combination of augmented, virtual, and mixed reality. Moving to the next slide, what will it be like in the metaverse? The idea behind the deluxe metaverse is one that requires a headset, is an immersive 360-degree digital world. You'll have your own avatar, which you will be able to design, and you will have your own digital assets, the titles of which will likely be recorded on a blockchain. Some think you will buy plots of digital land and build online houses in which you can entertain your friends or at least their avatars. Now, the question which comes to almost everyone's mind is, what are the technology that we will need to power or develop the metaverse? The metaverse will be driven by diverse forms of technology such as cloud infrastructure, where comes the connectivity technologies like 5G, Wi-Fi, cloud, and GPUs. Second one is spatial computing, which includes 3D visualization and modeling frameworks. Third one is hardware, which includes VR headsets, AR glasses, and mobile devices. Fourth one is software tools. Here comes blockchain, artificial intelligence, edge computing, and mixed reality mobile applications, and so on. And the fifth one is user generated content. So, like, if the metaverse is to become an embodied internet, then it must have certain properties that separate it from isolated virtual reality experiences like Second Life. So here are the list of properties of metaverse for better clarity. The metaverse is a massively scaled and interoperable network of real-time rendered 3D virtual worlds, which can be experienced synchronously and persistently by an effectively unlimited number of users with an individual sense of presence and with continuity of data, such as identity, history, entitlements, objects, and communications. Now, we will learn what are the types of metaverse. The first one is blockchain based. One of them deals with building a blockchain based metaverse using NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Some of the examples are Decentraland and the Sandbox, which allow people to purchase virtual parcels of land and build their own environments. Second one is Social World. While other is a simple one, virtual world where people can meet and greet each other, Meta is working towards creating this version of metaverse. Now that we have discussed the types of metaverse, So now I will tell you like what are the things that you can do in the metaverse. You can make a virtual property here and also earn money by investing in NFTs. In the metaverse, you can advertise anything and create a customized environment for yourself and do things that you like or hang out with friends or be alone in your customized environment. You can also own digital properties, buy and sell unique assets. Now, we are going to see what are the big tech giants are doing to make metaverse a reality. In the midst of the race which is going between these companies, the Facebook has already showed their hands after announcing the rebranding of Facebook as Meta to include both the company's social experiences and future technology focus. Facebook's CEO has already stated that, and these are his words, talking about quote unquote effective transition from people seeing us as primarily being a social media company to being a metaverse company. In short, these are the Meta's plan for metaverse. And according to Meta, 3D spaces in the metaverse will let us socialize, learn, collaborate, and play in ways that go beyond what we can imagine. The metaverse will be a collective project that goes beyond a single company. It will be created by people all over the world and open to everyone. There will be wearable technology like smart glasses, virtual reality like Quest, and augmented reality like Spark AR. After discussing all the details, now we are going to see what are the real life use cases of the metaverse. First one is e-commerce. Many companies are in talks to venturing into the metaverse with plan to create its own cryptocurrency and collections of NFTs. Second one is gaming. Companies like Epic, Funcom, Sky Mavis are looking to explore the metaverse in detail to increase the fun element in their games. Third one is conferences, meetings, or concerts. Facebook, that recently rebranded itself as Meta, is providing a virtual space for social gathering. And finally, the fourth one is real estate. Companies like Decentraland and the Sandbox provides users a virtual space to buy and sell land, estates, properties, and variables for their avatars. Now that we have seen the real life use cases of metaverse, so finally we can discuss what can be the possible future of the metaverse. Creating a virtual economy, a place where anyone can purchase and sell digital land, property, assets, constructing virtual homes, offices, buying and selling clothes and accessories for online avatars. And on the other hand, when it comes to crypto powered metaverse, where further integration between NFT marketplaces and 3D virtual universes seems like the next step. So, this is it, and thank you, and have a nice day.